Badolu Saint-Saintin, Bale Kairaba Avenue, right opposite Pipeline Mosque in the Woloto. We are driving towards Patidala Shokono. You can see people all over there. Mamela Modo Kunaje. Yes. Mamela Modo Kunaje. Because moment on the Metakam. And the moment Nakamobi. Thank you. Thank you, my Stana. Thank you. Anya jele moment na kono nyato. Ayo ko fa nan jide o ñom fi mo la jam. To chagan ku mon tara jam. Chagan ku mon tara jam. So very soon the Frela pipeline, the Frela Alfara Sukono, même à la Usuna Dabuti. À la introduction, nous avons demandé comme nous avons Yamen. Agiam Seka, nous avons introduit notre compte Gambi, Bayadlem député parti leader. Nous même nous avons Agiam Ndaouyaboti. Agiam Ndaouyabo, the national president of the party, United Democratic Party. Onoma member je wala mo Bakary Bunja Dabo commonly known as Billy Dabo wego Onoma member je wala mo Mari Sokki Mari Sok yana ko independent candidate and all executive members to the Jallo Bere Janne Oliwara Diba Bere Janne memento fo mamento fo ba cham ñolu bine maro ñolu ba jana ñolu Dabo ñolu Karaba Sonko wala di campaign manager Ibrahima Diba wala mu deputy organizing secretary ala boss wala majana Talib Ahmed Bensouda wala bebe janne very soon the Frela party leader very soon the Frela pipeline. Yes, nalong modul Frela already. Yes, nalong ko modul Frela already. Tapi begitu, mohon dokong welcome ke Siara. Wala dengan damal lako, modo kunang keradaman tu. Modo kunang keradaman tu. Gambian kolu nyanda ka lama nyanda ko alay useni ne banko di ala wallahi abin banko do ko la because the kind of love Gambian kolu mentandala it will never fail the attention na Gambian kolu fail bawsen wallahi nte I have this strong conviction that inshallah bawsen the Gambia will fail I have this strong conviction that ko Ba Ousainou Numukunda Daba be banko do kula according to the law of this land. I have a strong conviction ko Ba Ousainou abenyum banko develop lele. To any standard level this country deserves. With Ba Ousainou, I believe 100% ko it will not allow corruption in this government. Yes, Ba Ousainou will not allow corruption in his government. Because I know who he is. Sunaro wara allow ala masakunda kono. Because Ba Ousainou be I came here ni moment bebe jang na mina di ñulla. The only payment as a men dino ni molla. wolem ko kaje ko ka banko do ko ni mo le banko diala Gambian ko lu alkamina batu lu wo fele sano fele mo fele même fo ya lonko wole fo sembo woto lu wo mo fele me ya lonko wole fo sembo woto daimono to ala ya dialla alla banko kan alkamina batu Gambian ko alkamina batu. We are now counting this. We are now counting this. The Gambian call, I am appealing to you. I am appealing to the youth, I know almost 80% of the youth in Bankola, 80% of the youth are all here. They are not the UDP. So the 20% million Emanjero can Buffalo Algero. Please, for God's sake, Algero. So, baling Gambian Kolu. Badane Kanadrong. Alala Kadro di UDP la. Konin tol mi do koma. Ni adra kodo la sama je kodo ni abantale. Kodo ni abeban ana mam ban fa abeban nale. Bor Gambia banko de la jande. De nome ya ko be jang. Dindol man tra jang dimbale wi tan la jang. Man doing so the Ibadi will let them down, or the Koto doing will let them down. But I appeal to the youths of this country. Please, 80% of the youths have decided and they have joined United Democratic Party. What are you waiting? Alkamila Badi. So please, we are appealing. We are appealing to everyone. Yes, we are going to win, inshallah. Until we win, it is in Allah. Inshallah, but left we know nying. Left Gambia funding to be for we know nying. This is why we are appealing to them. Yes, the number here is a winning number, but we want them to be part of it. Any youth man going to be NPP, you want to come and join UDP, call me. I will give you a reception. Please, for God's sake. All the youth leaders of this country, all the youth organizations of this country, we are calling on all of you to endorse the United Democratic Party. Please, we are calling on all the youths. All the youth organizations of this country. We are calling on all of you to come and endorse the Democratic Party before Monday. Gambia funding take up without funding. All United Democratic Party endorse for better Gambia. Our mission is very clear. We want to have united Gambia. Gambia may alone come back party. Our mission is very clear. Our mission is very clear. We want to have a Gambia with good energy sector. We want to have a Gambia with good health system. We want to have a Gambia with better agricultural system. We want to have a Gambia with good education. We want to have a Gambia which is going to empower the youth and the women of this country. Yes, we are ready. Yes, we can do it. Yes, with UDP we can do it. Yes, we have done a study about that and we have the solution. Vote for us. and we will show you the solution. Happiness, happiness, happiness. We are so pleased from Thunderbird. You can see over there. Napala ñanon doro. Doomu adama di mo legi. Sol. Ba tiis la boy. Albañu mo do kelto mo lekete mo leta. Ha? Ya mo la ala mo do le silo bula. Boy, mo wax mo les lo bla ñu ko la mo les lo ta. Ke apa ta wa ke. Jawla. Yawla an ñu motol bon mo leta ala bay slow bu ñu motol ala bay slow bu la mo leta please amo ibe slow bu la because they cannot go slow bu la that is the way here abo slow bu ñing ke an ñu fengé slow bu la sa mo leta ala bay slow bu la ha Hey, apa Canada, please, apa Canada. Apa ni tak saya, apa itu? Apa lagi tak saya? Ini kena mundur. Segu, apa yang slow temu mulai ta? Segu, apa yang slow temu mulai ta? Boy, apa yang slow temu? Apa yang slow temu mulai ta bang? Wah. Go, so aja mun nyeba sta silo kam. Na buka. Boy, yo daun nyebuka ya, dan nyebuka ya. Baru ada pipeline. Hey, your phones, alat telepon dulu. Oke. Apa nyata? Yung driver is stupid na na pa. Boy, driver lang boy. Yung driver lang kahit kayo mo duma. Pero di mo la arasil about dahil na boy. Boy. Alla fulo la alla gantudo. Ha? Non bekan dala sa Badul Philistine Oh, let's go. I don't cool it. Manyomer, my life. Deb, nyaon. Madolo, Albania right now. Right now, for the pipeline, something. And I don't know what right now, the pipeline, Albania, I'm going to pull them down. I'm going to smell. Pulling them down, I'm going to smell. Albania, I'm going to Blagor ni yakibe abem adama do alabar ka baake ko mi yalon ka alji do ke kan jang alren jibe ka lay ko ndare ko jibe ko jang ala baraka bare Gambien ko ala baraka Allah mu bàyyi loolu alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu to alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu Allah mu bàyyi loolu alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu Allah mu bàyyi loolu alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu alkana bula mo ko no ko dole kana tambina alkana alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu Allah mu bàyyi loolu Allah mu bàyyi loolu Allah mu bàyyi loolu alal akiltu Allah mu bàyyi loolu alhamdulillah alwenya baje kan bare mun go right now bare pipeline right now bare pipeline pada di dalam sukan bawah itu alhamdulillah rabbil alamin alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ma aman jara moto e fin rek na jira moto e bula jerek Mos, ay bes kiri IG.
Jauh kalau biasa bari ya.
No, sai so.
I don't think so. Got open space for him. For her. Albania with proper strategy, huh? Bye bye.
Ini besar. Baru besar mana lagi tahu.
Yeah, okay. Albany. Why not? Even push the you deal. When I jump. That's another one. Another bad even push. When I jump.
No, but security level, you say I'm a good
Ajam felawe jikam ajam ndaw yabo ñu la mo ci mel yalon ko ala useni ñu la bula Yes. Pasao. Welcome. Welcome. Good. Allez, nasi adun kol je. Ah. Ibu konten dulu ke kang.
Listen, there is a thing in the background. I'm going to tell you to go. I'm going to Afra. I'm going to go now. I'm going to Afra. They are local. I'm going to go to I'm going to
Sab. Ah, come on, do. You know that boy.
President Barola yesi welcoming natata esi kontong natata eji akakata salula aya lunne kate crowd mobilize la no 419 welcome. This is the real deal, the yellow deal. The United Democratic Party's unprecedented earth shaking welcoming that has never happened in the history of politics in this country. This is the real deal.
December ko place ta be ko loku na lamba ko ko ngakarte pale sabali ala bido
ngala damen wolen gambian ko yala damen ko be Usainu Darboe elect la ngala damen wolen Ali Momar Njie men announce la ko is going to declare His Excellency the Honorable Alhaji Lawyer Usainu Mukunda Darboe the fourth president of the Republic of the Gambia inshallah ta'ala.
Final for the entire Gambian will be.
Final for the entire Gambia. Alhaji Usainu Darboe kae Operation Kutole launch bi Operation Ajindi so being somanda ninga subasa le ni wobe dunda banko kang Adama Barrow start packing up your stuff and get out of State House. We have won already. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ali Amoyle, Alhaji Mamadou Sabali, Memfo, Memo Operation Ajindi. Wolon kuma kama me alon ko ay wala ko ja
o sai wado sidale de
kamara ba wado sidale
de
e meta kafole e ko wado sida ba sai wado sidale
wala adum a sidale in positive for Usainu Darboe
yes kamara ba because kamara ba kabir wultan ambassador kamara ba silo kambe be faring adama di wala kamara ba fo ñu mol me yalon ko be jang fo ye jo fenna la ba imam jam fenna ñu mo mel yalon ko e be jam ina rapatio kanunte ya wodo ne si jam odo ni aje ñu fondin gol bebe fentila ye la fo men so alay Usainu ani UDP la 5 point agenda wala si jam kamara ba
wolam tonya di dorong dano momon dimbe la bla ye mirar kendol ngada adama dum everybody want to have a good life so ne andara ko the 5 point agenda wala nyanda ka wodira yo sudele why not this is why Gambia antara tola darabla mbeto ni dara jube anin jama sabo funding jol man na majlis bundal mu le halon ko fang ni 5 point agenda ye male ye sewo itali la kontanu ba itali fa kuma da bagele pour kaje ko aka ferolu landi banko be tamala ni silolu mun la mo ka dogo ke ni sembola mirol ibole landa ni ferolu sajo ferolu le sartol le suru be tamala ni mel no nana dambe bola jenne nana dambe mu fulani
yemen fo kamara ba ferolu ano silolu Gambian ko le jiko men soto be tamala wal ni ajibe ala Usainu bala mol mel beje lonnal le muñul beti kabo Amadou Sané Dr Ismaila Cissé Talib Ahmed Ben Soudanolo dinewol mel yalon ko David master degree ana député wol jama beje be scienteng yela degree sotole because ala Usainu aka mobe encourage wala ako londo alata ko wolbe banko sambala londo anim famajiyo Gambia be sondole ko ay famajiyo sotole Gambia be sondole ko ay londo sotole or we believe inshallah alafta menna Gambia lafta menna wala be kala
wolam toñati a laftan men na wolam Gambia la kayrota adu Gambia laftan men na Gambia fana lafta kayrol la odo ni kare fulo denda la lonko e lafta amra insay be yalo e frère temel do say president yalla sida so fesi ground be parendi e kol be ino ka nyama ala Usainu Mukunda Darboe na findina mo ka te findi la mo ton tendro so da kuma da ba ngaji ko na security na protocol lu ibebe lorin lo nyanya ma me yalon ko anyinyata adum abedat so wodo akuma da bakele kam mo be te kam mo be jay me lo nyanyi make ni ko nyum be alhamdulillah alhamdulillah dala His Excellency na natalota ba kabiri sida dala sewota na fem film balokono alhamdulillah
o kamara ba ye fem bala soro bi
na fem bala soro
biñollu isi da padi lila bala fo na e potaro da kamera ba on fem balet ba kamera ba se alay Usainu fono moli do monding adum jama tamira momu yalon koy manta UDP ma alay Usainu law alay Usainu foyeba
ha yalon ni mobe kamobe mo bari ma do tigi bari bidu ni ko moy ko salihino lam salihino mo fendole de alay Usainu Darboe yo ko sumula atam banko ni isi wasuno din kendo la e alhalo be nyama alay Usain Dabo ye wo sotole so kamala ni be ngana ala Nelson Mandela la isalon ko alay Usain Dabo ye quality sotole mel fon tambira utala sa ko mayda bage pour ka je ko akumada bage pour ka je ko jada akumada bage wato bela pour ka je ko alaji Usainu Mukunda Dabo ala hammo ala ferolu anin ala ya bay men soro gambe banko e kabrim bi mansi kabrana ma dum politiko ko wol mu kudi jam yalon ko akumada bage wodo ala tentu balon pour ngade sifa soto as a leader ngade sifa soto as nyaton ko ngade sifa soto as mom yalon ka ko ka parle pour kanyi slow wala moli so is be careful be careful bina koma la ko koma nyi so akuma da bake asirfo be ala tendula bake me tebe nganya la ko we have a leader and the leader we have is a leader with quality leadership ye febe ni nyini kadro ala Usain Mukunda Dabo yo wosodo nyaton kaya febe ni nyini ka palwo kono na ala Usain Mukunda Dabo ya so wodo mba fulani ko don ala ngapula nyono wodo fo kanimbe danale dale inshallah
very soon the party will be here ala do mo ñol fele be findikang nalong very soon afana be fintlanen oto melbe jibelol don alsasia aliasia
We have a big space here. Let these people go behind. Alta Koma, please. No, but you have to clear here. Alta Koma. Yeah, let everybody go behind. Everybody go behind. Go this way, my brother. Alta Koma. This is where you need to be, please.
allow
I thought that should be able to see that. Sometimes cameras will have blocked in the view. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Ngali tentu, ngal jai, gerem nalen, santa nalen. My compatriots, I am humbled yet by an other rapturous welcome by the members of this great party. This welcome of the campaign team has been made possible by your devotion and your dedication to the United Democratic Party. 2 days ago, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 2 days ago, I pulled out of the campaign trail because after performing the Asr prayers, while folding my prayer mat, I tripped and fell and then sustained a minor fracture. I couldn't be attended to in LRR in the manner I wanted medically. So I had to come back to Banjul to have better medical evaluation. I'm thankful to the West African Holistic Center as well as AfriMed for their professionalism and for the good care they took of me. I have been looked after. I have been attended to by one of Gambia's most prominent surgeons, Dr. Keba Marena. Alhamdulillah, today I'm in a very good state. I know that for the past 48 hours, you are very concerned about your Baba. And I also know that for the past 48 hours, you are in continuous prayers for my speedy recovery. And I know the Almighty has answered to your prayers. On the 13th of November, I left Banjul through Bara to go on a countrywide tour. It was the most spectacular tour by the United Democratic Party. I met Gambians of all walks of life, from Bara to Pasamas, from Fatoto to Banjul. I heard their cries, concerns that they share with us. These concerns are not only unique to the people in the rural areas, but it's a concern that are universally applicable to all Gambians. During this tour, we met people who were differently abled. People who had to travel from Samkunda to Fatoto on wheelchairs. And they came to show their solidarity and their support for the United Democratic Party. They came to show us that they have bought into the 5-point agenda. We have now taken our campaigns from the provinces to the Greater Banjul area. The Greater Banjul area determines who should and who should not be president of this country. But my compatriots, as I said at one time, this is the election. This is the election that will make a choice between a leader that is self-centered and a leader that is altruistic. This is the elections at which you will make a choice between a leader between a leader who is really concerned about the economic progress of this country and one that is concerned only about his own personal well-being. This will be a choice between a leader who lives up to his words and one that does not live to his words. When we went to the polls in 2016, we were really looking forward to a Gambia that we're proud of. We are looking forward to a new Gambia. In fact, we coined the word, the new Gambia. But alas, the foundations on which this new Gambia was to be built have really not been worked on. The basic things, the constitution on which the foundation of a new Gambia should be built, was really jettisoned and thrown into the dustbins. President Adama Barrow hijacked Gambia's agenda for his own personal gains. And for you, the Gambians, your choice is now between a leadership that really means his words, a leader that believes in constitutions, a leader that believes in constitutionalism, a leader that believes that the executive should not be that too powerful, a leader that believes that there should be decentralization. That is the choice you have to make. You have to make a choice between a leader who wants to fight corruption and a leader who encourages corruption. We've seen what has happened at the Kanifing Municipal Council when the Lord Mayor of that council, convinced by the ideas and philosophy of the United Democratic Party that corruption has no place in the Gambia, took the appropriate steps to ensure that things that were going, malpractice of that were going, was properly addressed. But alas, what happened? The executive intervened and ensured that the persons who were suspected of being involved in malpractices continue to be in office. Is that the government you want to have in this country? No way! So, my compatriots, we come to offer you a government that is different from the current government. We come to offer you a government that will have service to the people of the Gambia, a government that will fight corruption, a government that will look after the welfare of the ordinary Gambians, a government that will live up to its words, and a government that will really look after the environment. We have seen how much destruction has been done to our environment, and this we must arrest. We cannot be people who will really give licenses to loggers at the detriment of our forest cover. This is a government that will ensure that the economy of this country is energized, that investments are encouraged, and that there would be no investor who would put a dime on the table because he wants his or her documents to be attended to. That is not going to happen in this country. I am grateful to you, Gambians, and I believe that you and I will finish these last 9 days of the campaign with decorum. We will all eschew violence. We will all ensure that on the 4th of December, we will go out in large numbers and vote. I ask heads of households to escort members of their household to the polling station and cast their votes. I ask others to go with their friends, to go with their acquaintances, and to tell them that this is the defining year. This is an election that is very consequential. It is the election that will determine for the next several decades how Gambia will be governed, because it is by this election that the foundation for a new Gambia will be laid, and the United Democratic Party is the only instrument through which this can be done. I want to appreciate my comrades on the campaign trail, former Vice President Bakar Bunja Dabo. Want to appreciate him I want to appreciate him for his in-depth analysis of the situation in the Gambia. I want to appreciate Mary Sok Jabatia for her continuous interaction with the women and how she dealt with women issues, Jana Baba, and all the rest of the campaign team. You are wonderful people. We couldn't have it better. The United Democratic Party couldn't have it better. I also want to acknowledge the services rendered by the UDP security as well as the police intervention unit. They are really great people, and indeed the presence of the UDP security and the police intervention unit on our campaign trail just shows us that there's mere suspicion between Gambians, or Gambians have certain ideas, certain views about our security forces, which is really not true. Once we interact, we are able to understand each other. And this has been done during this campaign, that indeed the Gambian security forces, at least the police intervention unit that was on our campaign trail, we are just ordinary Gambians working with ordinary Gambians. And our security forces, our security unit also realized and accepted the fact that these people in uniform are our brothers and sisters, and we all have a common purpose, a common destiny, that is to make Gambia a better place. I want this to continue in our relationship with all the security outfits of this country. The media has been extraordinary. Every moment, every minute of our activity was really put on the airwaves. No one went hungry for information on our campaign trail. I congratulate all of you and I appreciate you very much. GRTS, Kirfatu, Paradise, Kamaraba, UDP TV and Media, and all the rest of you. We appreciate you very much, and we believe that you are doing what is expected of any media outlet in a democratic dispensation. I finally have to thank 3 people, and I'll name them. Tida Toure, my niece, Nakanja Toure, also my niece, and Nyulo Dabo, for taking care of our stomach at the appropriate time and in the best of ways. I thank you all, and Ajiyam, thank you very much. Ajiyam Mundau, thank you very much. We appreciate what you have done and will continue to do. Badinglu, ngala tentu bake. Alenyin bendun lo menke na campaign team la. Aya itan le United Democratic Party momenti. Aya itan le na nyim party dinglu yela party yo mutanyamen. Nyim party yo molmel bijanto suda funding kyono. Yaja kava ko nyim party yo di menyanta ka Gambia bonde. Campagne kono withdraw tale pour til dantan kadu kabringa lansaro sali kayaf be baso ko la tumo menna ntakita mboyta na fraction din soto bar bawo facilitation man soto no man sa konko nata banjun janne pour mo docteur Sinjeno isin topoto no West Africa Holistic Center wala follow yenje yeduku kendeke adan sam Afrimed las medical staff ni membijeto ila nurses no wonderful people. In fact, even right now, one of them is with me here in Bongongoto. Ian Topoto and Dr. Marena Noyalan Kafoko, Sojon Lomo, Sikata Mena Londoto, Ian Topoto Anyama, Alhamdulillah, Najik Kafoko, Ibafala Watu Sibito, you know, Nalbebe Boroke no Lanyola. So I thank Dr. Marena for that. Bota jantole kababara ka Gambia be yayi na Gambia ngol ngeje ngela kumbo moy ngela wosio moy wosiol kata monti jio itata Gambia dawda molbe wosila jio kavo ko bi mbenyi jamano mento molbe ta kolong leto kolong me yalon kavo ko aman kubero soto pour ka jobi jeto molbe kumbola loptanol la e be wulol kono silata damen e koy ambulance ol sambe jeto e ma loptanol soto wo kumbole be ke kan Gambia kono e be kumbo kay ko baluwa koleata Gambian ko bol kumbo kan ngalla moyla adu mo sifa bele nata mol batanan sonkunda me yalon kaf ko alhamdulillah man sola nola soto kala karo sole kan barka bonan sonkunda kana fo patoto way me yitandi olon kaf ko nyin Gambia ko wolo ndel fana dabi jetole adum be jala jetole nyanta men fo la jeton sa fo no jeto ngomol je ngamol jamel yalon kaf ko imankita mo saba ya ñoo tambindi nan ibe mu nawleti kadiya munye ila mu ne kanto ka fonye itella miralo mun Gambia ka monye itella fa fandi sifa men na Gambia woto nyim tamo nyim ay karandi role kenye ko really mama sakunda men jikita ka ko mbatala ni ngata molle bijeto mel yalon kafo ko wala hajo nyanta topoto le bedanta hajo la bar momo fanan category fanan ya fansu hajo soto me yalon kafo has to be treated differently badinglo nyen kata fayode alon kata fayo bela kata fayode atala ma bede nyen kata fayo lebe chance di lale ale tombon roken mol tema mel yalon kafo ko imantra palaso nyinin kan kadu koy lafta kala kodi nyinin bundalete mol mel yalon kafo ko lafta le Gambia be bata men kono ka bondi jeto wo choice wole balbulo ali ajube sanjilul koma molu memma bunjang lono bi ye bunjang lo ali ajube melan ko be barata ka corruption of fight ban benga jara gaf ko na lord mayor tinyaro kata kan fi municipal council tumo mena a wulita kavo ko wo tinyaro nyin fanga dankala mele tinyaro ke fo luwa sita mekan bar man sakunda ya tingta ayala jeto kata kela adun lord mayor be men taman kan ka UDP la philosophy lon wote kavo ko corruption o nyin has to be fought against so alo choice le bal bolo choice me alon kavo ko fo Gambian ko albesonal ka continue ban baluwatar ko leral bulu albesonal ka continue ban ka ko ala loptan olto borti jeto niaje mbotanan kiyang kana janto menyanta tarla masa ko loptan to wala man trajeto menyanta tarla kayaf loptan to wala tijeto no bi jeto no tanun tinala janto e ben tibe atal la jeto ba nyinam koti Gambian ko nyanta men cross love ya jube fanya manza kunda ko tenge ibe men tombo na kasinde iko be ambulance tansa ile sana ko sindi sa tol meli alon kafo ko han hes posti jeto we mun na falka yebulan ambaso ambulance ko no yesamba loptano do wala loptano borti jeto islat malo amslan sol na fam mende o be politique rang bari won mamande e jotob dambian ko la ko kontel man hakil malte so nga nyinke ngenene kafo ko na jata kendi abunda mbato potokan ite jokende sodla la doctor la ni la nosis nyolo la kende table jeto ame even private clinics nyol melia donc through private initiative dal mele loptano le la satolto das sandu das la men nyolo ame dobo nyolo ani la ko tengolo man sakunda man sonna bulo dunne ko to ke mako ite make moli yake koyko mudokulan nati njejoto mako boroto ye mala far baro man sakunda mamiran lafta wala na campagne on nak ngabande bolon kono say nata janne Greater Banjul area ngalon ka ko talam di political powerhouse etela ka jibe men kal be kala president dala ka be men kala president ban ni tilikonon to men to jeto am tilikonon to ti me yalon ka ko bebente wala sitla kaja ko sondi soba ngasuki mo kunul mebe fundla suto ka ko be katati nyakela alinga bule noma ngebe kanta kaja ko kato kana tinya nyimbanko kan alinga kata dal balan ko musuti wolti nim kata fa on the 4th of December ngana dimba ya nge funtindi ngaloy nyato nge samba kata fadulato yala kato fay al nga kata kavoko nyim fondin kewlo mela ngav kon keje ibe borla ibe den kilola la e ka kibarol di kamembe ilhamo ikole fonye ila borome kake ikome ga tiuti bebulo ko ilhamo ni kole fonye ilhamo ni amanka hamo ni tikavoko amanka hamo ni tikavoko lo yadabo laftale amanka nyinti inshallah wintale bari ko message o me fay wintale amanka nyinti kavoko lafta ronga place o soto laftale ko ningo bi noketa fanning ko gambe fanning ko hajo ngalola wala yatna al funti tatin adu ngani lahi do tali alla baba ni lahi do tali alla mama ma ni lahi do tali kafo ko nali yansini de men telefon gambe fanning ko le anyo to so lamin gambe ko ala baraka ba gambe ko be nakumo dabana mena wolon nimol meltata kab nimol meltata do ko jinna aji Yamunda Jabo, aji Honorable Bakar Bunja Dabo, Marisok, and mo member campaign from Koto. Ya kwolsono yandimulu, ya kachal dia, ya kachal sono yandimulu. Gambian koli yeje, Gambian koli aja kavoko. Ni mol me futata majante, ibe hamme kilinda son. Hammo me yalon kavoko del Gambian koli lafta yole tamande. Ila kon daro fe ay content bake. Ni security forces PIU official nimmentata alhamdulillah ifana yekatoke yantankande inina youth security unit initele do koke kabri do ko kuma no famo keta bawo wato do menka problem onat moltema nyo fa hambali alon bare na security anim fan la pa campaign team mole yalla gav ko nyen mo gambia dingleti melam gav ko je uniform wudila e be do ko la adu gambia ko ifanal bole to kontanta bake ye doko ke nyame doko e nyaba bake yimbe meitan lan ka fo kontel gambia dinglu dam manglo en sinyo muta momo be doko la dawoda ngam nyomuta adi be doko la damen fana e kana landa tambo ki jeto ne man landa tambo ki jeto dron wala e mol be benna de ya na media timo fanan ya kata bake koku abe kekan e tele kanyo fonyo kono dunia be baje kan television station o dolu man son na program jot fengala bar wo makandi dunia malom be mento dunia ya lo ne mento adun dunia appreciate le fana bar wo fana manke tanati kadu fonko bi benyi jamano mento nyim politique jamano mento pati wo pati itata dawoda wo mu newsletter nin do itata dawoda de television ol nyanta bulala normale e be même fo kanje ya data ya fo gambian ko kad news la model ning ganu te NUP na data dawoda television ol be nyanta bulala norma membe kerim banko ke be même fo kan ya fo molie well the same thing for UDP bari manyana pati kilin tombo na de e kablo da man ko wol norma dunia mu yalla man sulete dunia mu yalla man sulete bari wo be nyawonya na fem fo dunia ka moyle be même fo kan janto bi nyin at nyin tembo tate dunia baje kane dunia be la moyla kane woto tel media molo bal tent la bal jayla al mo kende al banku din kende labang be kala benti be mo sabale tentula tida toure mbarindima nakanja toure ofana mbarindima ani nyulo dabo ndimma wale en kono muta de nyim wak do domoro diata dabe aj siata dabe e ko drone nat mole however it is. Thank you very much, ala baraka bake bari kontondro tentro labang vitamelia bolom United Democratic Party la jaramba ningane nineneta nkamura menna United Democratic Party la kiamba nintilo candidat kanda ngado ko lodde ngamenka kan pour nga sidu bengoto United Democratic Party la suflamba meli alon kavoko wala tambita suufe ñola mbe tent la mbe jay la di diaspora Gambian diaspora a manke ni daman kava ko yela fengleta kake UDP la campagne oto o ka UDP balonde bar Gambian diaspora jamale ticket o kundi ni wato kono e be ji kan nan drong every day e be nakan to participate in the elections in the campaign kaja ko itel de ba ko ton feño etal tambe ba ko ton feño la kunun namu bi lamu mo ba ko diaspora ba ko ton feño bar kunu even June transition wato master to moment in January diaspora campaign diaspora ko do men damman jinde nyim banko kan million lamo bar bi nak ni kada ba ko non feñoti alhamdulillah wata kasiti dole baaj ko ton feñolo intel la jaram balomo nasrulam balomo so boy sedi kan inila molu from the United States of America, from UK, Nandi Mafla Janto Kunung Amembe Kayaf, I think I was in Kayaf. I started banning Fat Sanya and then Jara Sane. I was so pleased. And many more are coming. Yeah? But na chairman in gas chapter, Alhamdulillah. Diaspora, if United Democratic Party is an engine, you are the fuel that makes it work. I thank you all. Allah barakabadi. Xamna ne taxaway bi yagana waaye man njëkka sant yàlla suñ borom li ñu may fan fekkee tey teeru bi tey alhamdulillah benn la boo xam ne mus fee am ci réew mi te benn parti du ko fi mën a am gannaaw United Democratic Party waaye yéen yéen ay nit yi waaye you are the people yéen yéen a moom seen parti si maa ngi leen di gërëm ci campagne bi nag dafa amoon jamono boo xam ne ma génnoon ñibbi si Kombo parce que after bi ma julee takusaan may lal sajara bi ma faxatul daanu suma xiib bi xaw am problème waaye comme amuñ benn facilité Mansa Konko health center dama ñëw Banjul fii pour ñu toppatoo ma maa ngi sant nag West Africa Holistic Center ci Kololi ak Afrique Med liggéey ñi fa nekk ay nit yu baax ay professionnels lañu ñu am ité lool ci wér-gu-yaram nit particulier ci man Afrique Med seen nurses yi every 10 minutes dañoo ñëw di ma check every 10 minutes dañoo ñëw seet naka laa def seet ndax suma métit bi wàññeeku na ndax wàññeeku maa ngi leen di gërëm surtout docteur Marena koo xam ne moo ma toppatoo te alhamdulillah soo gisee may mun a génn fii ñëw taxaw fii dégg nga docteur Marena liggéeyam la moo liggéey li mu war a def bi jógee Baara nag wër Gambia yëpp façon nit boobu na xalaat tase nañu ak ñoom ay lu yoo xam ne day ñëw dama wax seen soxla te xam naa ne seen soxla principal yi ena dafa nag affaire dund because nii solee ma xam ne ñooñu den soxla ndimbal gis naa fa ay nit yoo xam ne den jógee Sonkunda ñëw ba Fatoto koo xam ne mun taa dox den ko eb ci not carrosse wheelchair bed biit wheelchair mi mel ni bed lal ci loolu la li fi ne ñëw be Fatoto nga xalaat diggante Sonkunda ak Fatoto kooku du am ité boobu di du mu war a dugga moto pour ñëw attend meeting Fatoto Gambia ko ñor looloo tamu def loolu façon nit yi nag bari nañ fii so yaakaar nag rëy na lool yaakaar boobu ñun ñoo ko mën a war a mutali mooy ne suy réew mi corruption dañ koo xeex mooy ne suy réew mi dañoo am interest for the economic development of this country duñ jël place def ko utikaay xaalis buñ jël ne place yi politique place la boo xam ne danga cee war a ut xaalis te di leen yëgal leen politicien booy gis muy wata saaku maalo ak teg ci bidon diwlin di la ko isa sa kër ci jamono ji nga xam ne kooku daf la bribe man nag duma may kenn o duma jóg kenn saaku maalo because dama bugg a place président because dama leen bugg a liggéeyal soo commence su fekkee dama leen pare liggéeyal bon waruma leen naa jox dara pour ngeen sànnil ma carte suma programme bi may wax loolu moo leen war convince pour ngeen sàntuñu carte ci dex gi nag ñoomu li fi jëndee nañu suñ 5 point agenda bi am na jigéen tuman na mu ne na Gambia ci coono bi nekk nii ñu génn ci ñàkk cee génn ci ñun la des ñun ñoo amee carte bi ñun ñoo war a decide ndax dem bëgg a continuer ci coono mbaa dem bëgg a génne ci coono te foog naa ne loolu moo war a nekk xalaat képp koo xam ne yaa ngi Gambia fii ñoo United Democratic Party ci suñ 5 point agenda bi adresse nañu affaire health service delivery agriculture IT and energy education health care all these ak tourism loo xam ne dafa create a capable state for the delivery of social services loolu lañ am ci suñ 5 point agenda so juróom ñeneen fan rek a des pour ñu dem to the polls dimanche bi ñëw ni li ci toppa yaakaar naa ne ñi win nañ naka di celebrate waaye balaa loolu dama bëgg ñun ñëpp ñu màndu ci lu ñoo wax ak ci lu ñoo def ñun ñëpp ñu bàyyi xel ne buy def dara loo xam ne dafay is fi na ci réew mi ñun ñëpp naan gis ne li ñoo candidat yi yëpp ñëpp dem bëgg a place bi because dañ kenn ku nekk daa foog ne mooy gën naa liggéeyal Gambia non nag warta am suñu diggante ma bëgg a place yow nga bëgg a place loolu warta tax ñu nekk noonu war ñu adopt a hostile attitude towards each other ñu xam ne nag réew mi suñ defee dara loo xam ne dafa isi fitna ci réew mi bon it will not be in the interest of this country dama leen dee fàttalil all the time ne Sir Dawda Kairaba Jawara ak sama papa Père Ndiaye nekkoon nañ ci politique waaye kenn musta dégg xeex ak ñoom Bah Diakhoumpa Sheriff Moustapha Diba ak Kairaba Jawara xeecoo nañ fii ak Hassan Moussa Camara xeecoo nañ fii waaye musuloo dégg benn xeex même ci balance time yaa jame sax na once in a while problems na dee am waaye du daan nekk diggante party supporters yi daf daan nekk diggante United Democratic Party ak security agency boobu la problème bi daan nekk all the time so ñun nag ñun si suñ jamono war ñoo nangu history portrait ñu ak ñi nga xam ne ci final rek lañ dëkka ñoom ci final lañ ute place ci final lañ amee place bi te ñu ngee doxal place bi ci fitna loolu nag ban ñu koo nangu maa ngi leen di ñaan ne on the 4th of December nañ génna borom kër yi on the 4th sa karta yi naka sa kër sa njabooti nga jiital leen dem ci police station bi ngeen sànni ci boyt bi ngeen a sànni mooy boyt bu nette bi parce que boyt bu nette bi moo naka for the Gambian people beneen boyt boo def sa karta dafa kasaara beneen boyt boo def sa karta dafa kasaara maa ngi leen di gërëm di leen sant di wax ndaw yi ne dégg naa seen message seen ndaw yi di ngeen a daw li ngeen di tàccu li ngeen di woy message la te message boobu dégg naa ko bu baax te incha allah on the 5th of December wax naa ne on the 5th of December buy declare United Democratic Party elected ngeen xam ne on the 5th dañoo celebrate on the 6th dañoo celebrate on the 7th On the 7th, then you celebrate Bar. Why? On the 8th, liggéey bi dafa door. maa ngi leen di gërëm wa salaam.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Albe ajele alaikum akamai. The party leader, the Honorable Alayosin Abokan Mukuna Labo. Adiamta, I bankero Kajam. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Banko Senata. Banko Koida Fed. Contanta Baka ala Banko. Ala baraka bake atume yalonko ala baraka bake Saludo. Aliamo ele patili la diamo. Aliamo ele patili la diamo. Ajam fele abe dunkan. Ajam yam ndaw yabo be fele be dunkan. Patili la nomo nyo memo ajmay ndurti. Dimba nyama fala dunka. Alhamdulillah bi amina the party executive science odon badu medel na janne fo wadi kote ala baraka bake